Hi guys, my name is Mr. Chicky. Let's read a book called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. This story is something to sneeze at. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? What? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Gerald. What? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Stud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Bye, friends. See you next time.